Guys, it's Hymie Zebede. I'm going to show you one of my supplement accounts that I manage, currently doing around 1.6, 1.7 million dollars in sales every month. I want to show you the tacos, which is unbelievable. And I want to show you the biggest, most beneficial part of selling reoccurring products on Amazon and a strategy that I use to build up, no-name brands into very, very strong brands. Let's dive right in. First, I just want to show you how many subscribers we have. Current subscribers as of July 26th, we have 23,000 subscribers. Now, you might notice over here, last year, Q4, we had a very big boost. We did some pushing. Not everyone retains, obviously. A lot of people cancel. August 3rd was a huge boost. We were at 18,000 before. Look at this. We were at nothing. We were at 12,000, 11,000. Now we have 23,000. But you can see over here, a big boost. It did drop off. And it always happens with subscribers. People are testing it out. You can't expect them to stay there forever, but we retained so many. And look how many we have now. 23,238 subscribers. And look over here, 2024, 11,000. So we're exploding. We're pushing subscribe and save. This is how many sales we're going to get in the next month. Next 30 days, we have planned $400,000 in sales without ads. So we already got these customers. They already gave us their money, basically. They're subscribed. $400,000 in the next 30 days, $937,000 in the next 2 months, and $1.5 million in sales in the next 3 months that are just going to come in. We don't have to advertise to them again. We already advertised to them. They tried our product. They love it. They subscribed. That's it. This is not up. For some reason, this is not pulling. There's a little issue with Amazon right now. But if you were to see this, it's not good right now, our inventory situation. These numbers would be a lot bigger if we didn't have low stock on things. Same thing with not delivered due to out of stock. We didn't anticipate how big we would build this brand. And it's supplements. It's not an easy brand to build. It's not an easy category. But we built it up very, very strong. And look, planned units in the next 90 days, we have 40,000 units pre-sold. So unbelievable. Let's look at our retention rate. 87% retention rate for the past month. Past 90 days, we have an almost 70% retention rate. So it's very, very strong. Very proud of this. We are pushing it strong. That's why you can see, again, this boost over here. And then it dropped off, but it doesn't matter if it dropped off. Look at the difference. January 4th, subscription count is 21,000 compared to last year's subscription is 11,000. We doubled our subscriptions, and this is after the drop. This is after it dropped down. So we got tons and tons of people to subscribe and save. People unsubscribe, normal, but we're still so ahead of the game. We doubled our subscriptions in a year. So imagine next year. Unbelievable. Let's look at the numbers. Right now it's August, so ignore this number because it's the first week of August. June, we did 1.8 million in sales. July, we did 2.1 million in sales. Again, no name brand, very hard category. And let's look at the ads. You can see we're in active status all, so there's no filtering to make it look better than it is. Year to date, 31% ACOS. And now let's go back. Let's go to the business reports. We want to see, let's say July. In July, we did $2.1 million in sales. July 1st to July 31st, we spent $108,000. We did $2.1 million in sales for this month. That's like a 4% tacos, which is unbelievable. And then you can see same thing with June 1st to June 30th, 28% ACOS, spent only $80,000 in ads. And what are we doing sales for June 1st to June 31st, to June 30th? We did 1.8 million, same thing, 4 or 5% tacos. Unbelievable. The most important thing is we are pushing subscribe and save. We're pushing brand recognition. We're trying to build a brand. A lot of people on Amazon, they're just trying to spend. They're renting traffic. They're spending to get a sale. Is the ACOS good? Listen, you want the ACOS to be good. Even our ACOS is good over here. But our goal isn't to just have a low ACOS and to just make money for every single ad we spend. Our goal is to build up a brand that's going to outlast selling on Amazon, that's going to get into retail stores, that's going to build a following that people are going to want to subscribe and save and receive monthly, something that they fall in love with. So if anyone needs any help, with their supplement brand, with any brand that they have that is replenishable. I have a lot of strategies to build up subscribe and save customers quickly and to retain them. And even if it's not a replenishable brand, I work with every different type of category. So if anyone needs any help, want to just pick my brain, would love to chat, reach out to me. Thank you guys for watching this video and have a great day.